Since the beginning of the conflict in Ukraine, India has consistently called for immediate cessation of hostilities. India has called upon both sides to return to the path of diplomacy and dialogue. And now, members of the global community are backing India's position. After Russian President Vladimir Putin, Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni said that India could play a role in resolving the conflict.
I believe actor nations like China and India have a role to play and must play a role to resolve the conflict in Ukraine. The only thing that cannot happen, gentlemen, is to think that the conflict can be solved by abandoning Ukraine to its fate.
Meloni's statement came after the Russian president made similar remarks on the 5th of September.
We respect our friends, partners, who I believe are sincerely interested in resolving all issues related to this conflict. This is primarily the People's Republic of China, Brazil, India. I'm constantly in contact with our colleagues on this issue. And I have no doubt that the leaders of these countries, we have a trusting relationship with them, sincerely strive to help understand all the details of this complex process.
Earlier in July, Prime Minister Modi had paid a visit to Russia. Prime Minister had pushed for peaceful resolution of the conflict.
शांति की बहाली में भारत हर संभव सहयोग करने के लिए तैयार है और आपका भी सानुकूल विचार सुनकर के मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई और मैं भी आपको भी आश्वस्त करता हूं और विश्व समुदाय को भी आश्वस्त करता हूं कि भारत शांति के पक्ष में है.
Later, Prime Minister also visited Poland and Ukraine in August. Prime Minister delivered a message for peace and diplomacy in Poland.
यूक्रेन और पश्चिम एशिया में चल रहे संघर्ष हम सभी के लिए गहरी चिंता का विषय है. भारत का यह दृढ़ विश्वास है कि किसी भी समस्या का समाधान रणभूमि में नहीं हो सकता. हम शांति और स्थिरता की जल्द से जल्द बहाली के लिए डायलॉग और डिप्लोमेसी का समर्थन करते हैं.
Prime Minister Modi met with Ukraine's President Volodymyr Zelensky in Kyiv on the 23rd of August. Prime Minister underscored India's commitment to peace, saying India's on the side of peace.
हम न्यूट्रल नहीं थे. हम पहले दिन से ही पक्षकार रहे हैं और हमारा पक्ष है शांति का. हम बुद्ध की धरती से आते हैं जहां युद्ध को कोई स्थान नहीं होता है.
During his visit to Ukraine, Prime Minister also highlighted Mahatma Gandhi's message of peace. Fuzail Ahmed reporting for DD India.